So in this video, let's try to build a custom profile for wall sweep in Revit architecture. For making up a custom profile, first let me draw a wall right here and get into 3D view. I can drop a section for wall profile, just like keeping up wall sweep, and well, I'm picking up all these full wall faces here. Now I'd like to change up the section size, either the depth or the height of the section right into this. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna turn up a new profile, get into family, and I'll be picking up metric profile. Okay. Right in here, I'm gonna be drawing a rectangle that will simulate or indicate the wall sweep profile right there in the model. Alright, after adding the profile, I can get into here and I can add an align dimension starting from these profiles here and from the bottom face. Okay, selecting this, I can turn up the label. This will be the length. Okay, and this one will be the width of the profile. Okay, I can load it right into the project and I'll get into 3D view. I can select the profile, get into edit type. I'll be changing the profile right into family 1, which I've created just a moment ago. Alright, there's no much difference right here. In the project browser, get into family. You'll be having the families which you have created right now just in the profile. I can have the family 1 option is right there, and double clicking that, well, I can change up the length and width of the profile right from here. This could be, maybe if I try to change the value, you can see the profile is being updating right from here. It can be maybe 500. You can see up that. So that's how we'll be adding a custom dimension or size to the profile, which we have made using wall sweep right in Revit architecture. And thanks for watching.